to my YouTube video. Today is a less than 10-minute makeup routine. So here I am, barefaced, ready to do my skincare slash makeup. Yes, I said skincare. Is a LYS Skin Tint with a primer in it, so that's why you didn't see me doing primer to begin with. This step is fairly easy. You just take the stick and apply it to your face.
I love you, Benji.
I start off with a brush and then I go in with a beauty blender to soak up the rest of the makeup. This is a tip I learned from my favorite YouTube creator, Jacqueline Jeanette, and you do the skin tint and then a liquid foundation and dots to get the coverage on the spots you need. And for me, my acne is usually dark spots, so I'm able to hide them with the liquid foundation. You're probably wondering, why was I holding it like that? It broke one of the times I was doing my makeup and I didn't want to throw it away, so I was using it like that. But yes, I have more to use. I used to shade Velvety Black because it goes great with my hair, since my hair usually comes off more black than brown. Here I'm using my black Opal in shade Sandy Brandy concealer. I actually need help and tips for makeup for my under eyes not creasing. I think the problem was not looking up the whole time and looking down at myself. Reason why the concealer kept creasing. I've just watched a video by Maya Galore and her tips was great. See, this was supposed to be a under 5-minute makeup routine, but it's going to be under 10. Next, you will see me using 3 different powders to set my eyes so they won't crease. Now today, well, that day, it worked out great, but I'm trying to only use one. So am I supposed to use a setting powder, a finishing powder, or a pressed powder? Girls, please help me out and comment down below. I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the phone. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in when I put your pretty little hand in, even when we're down to the wire. One thing about me, I love a good blush, and Black Opal sent over their Fine O'Clock blush stick, and I've been using it down. Sorry about my nails, that was makeup, not dirt. See, here I am with another powder because I am not trying to crease the eyes. This brand, Kulfi Beauty, is my favorite brand ever because they sent me my first PR package last July 2024. So I absolutely love Kulfi Beauty, and this was one of their most recent products, which was their Kulfi Beauty Baddie Lash Mascara. And look, it looks like I'm a baddie with lashes on, right? Do not play about is Milk Makeup. I have their Milk Makeup Mattifying Setting Spray and their Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I then go in with my fan to blend everything and set it in place. Kulfi again, they sent me over so many of their Lassie lips, and this one is in shade Fig, and I should use another one. So
the stars in the sky. I need you to shine in my life, not just for the meanwhile, for a long, long time. Better believe it.
As you can tell, I was going for the first one to look like a lip liner, and the second one is, I can't see, Tamarine, I think. And I just went all over in the middle, and then I'm going to lighten it up with the Sephora Lip Plumping Gloss. I honestly don't know what shade this is. but I'll make sure to link it in the description down below. The lip combo is too pretty.
Whenever you're not in my presence, it feels like I'm missing my blessings, yeah. So I sleep through the daylight, stay awake all night, till you're back again, oh yeah.
So this is the final look. I actually didn't get any pictures this day, but I'll make sure to add in my boomerang.
Only been missing my